Right now, someone out there is fighting the same battle you are. Tired, frustrated, ready to quit. But here's the truth. You are stronger than you think. You see, every champion you admire once stood exactly where you are now. They weren't born confident. They weren't handed success. They fought for it. One step, one mistake, one painful moment at a time. The world will try to convince you that you're not ready, that you're not good enough. But every time you choose to stand back up after falling, you prove them wrong. Think about the moments you almost gave up. You're still here. That means every time life knocked you down, you found a reason, even a small one, to rise again. Your struggle is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you're in the process of becoming stronger. Pain is not your enemy. It's the proof that you're growing. Think about the moments you almost gave up. You're still here. That means every time life knocked you down, you found a reason, even a small one, to rise again. One day you'll look back and realize that the nights you cried yourself to sleep, the mornings you woke up with doubt, the times you failed in front of everyone, those were the very moments that shaped you into the person you always wanted to be. You won't remember the comfort. You'll remember the courage to keep going when no one believed in you, not even yourself. So today, fight one more round, take one more step, do one more rep, give it one more try, because right now, someone out there is watching you, not to see you fail, but to see you rise. And when you do, you won't just change your story, you'll inspire them to change theirs.